friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making pork chops and potatoes in the Instant Pot. For this easy recipe, we need a cup of water for pressure cooking. Pork chops, here I have a pound of them. Potatoes, I have 2.5 pounds, and I washed the potatoes before making the video. And seasonings of your choice, I'm going to use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. So the first step is I'm going to peel and cut the potatoes into pieces. Now, some potatoes, such as baby potatoes or red potatoes, you don't have to peel, but this particular ones I do like to peel, so I will peel them and cut them. So I peeled the potatoes and cut them into pieces, so just make sure they're the same size pieces. And now I'll put them in a bowl just so I can season them evenly. So let's season the potatoes and pork chops. So I'm going to sprinkle them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. And now let's toss so they're seasoned more evenly. And now I'll do the same with pork chops, just season them on both sides. So sprinkle the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Rub it and then flip them over and season the other side. So now everything is seasoned, and let's put everything in the Instant Pot. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water for pressure cooking. And now I will add the potatoes. And I will add pork chops on top of the potatoes. So as they cook, the juices from the pork chops will also flavor the potatoes. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked pork chops and potatoes. They look amazing. Look how well everything got cooked together. The potatoes and pork chops are so tender and perfectly cooked. So let me take it out of the Instant Pot. First, I'll take out the pork chops. Now let me take out the potatoes. So there's a liquid there that's very flavorful, so it's up to you if you want to add the liquid or not, but it's really good. So I'm just going to take everything out, and you can use the liquid as a gravy too for the pork chops. So just dump the potatoes with their liquid. And add the pork chops back. And you can pour the liquid over the meat to make it even better. Perfect. Look how good it looks. What an easy one-pot dinner. I'm so excited about trying it. This looks amazing. So let me just set aside a pork chop and a few potatoes here on a plate. So see, the potatoes are very soft. And let me just cut the pork to show you. So it's tender, cut so easily, and perfectly cooked. Now let's try it. This is so delicious. The meat is so soft, it just melts in your mouth. And the potatoes are perfectly seasoned and flavored with meat. This is so good. You're going to love this dinner, and it's so easy to make. Instant Pot really does all the work. For a free printable recipe and other very easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!